Bisa no way France win.
They are France. I know say yeah you see yeah. Would you be a touch now compare two teams in the they are going to see France.
Yeah.
But therefore they are also having the same argument. I mean, Ojina only in team and so more heavy. They also want to. Make us say they want to. Make us say they want them say Omas Shahum. But this is they are also having the argument in Omunkro was say almost a losing game now. They are going to meet Ivory Coast. Omo winning game now. They are going to meet Omina your friend in Sweden.
Okay.
So it is dependent on say this year.
Choose between Ivory Coast and Sweden.
Yes, we have a point now. Omo now was 6 points.
Yeah.
Almost like Germany, almost like France, they'll go on 9 points. France may stay on 6 points.
Okay.
When you win your group, our group now is either you meet Sweden or Ivory Coast.
Okay.
What type of group no? You meet Sweden.
Okay.
That's what me know. But meet Ivory Coast.
Okay.
What I say? And even from there, we meet Ivory Coast, we are going to meet Germany. So, South Road, one, and then
Senegal and Iraq. Bomb over to pay.
I was had say we Senegal.
Senegal, some tournament.
About the whole tournament, you know, one winning game. I'll be crying. Some of the catch up.
Issues. The people are not happy.
And some of the catch up, yes, and guess what? You make us all pa. So make me winning game. We are
issues.
Okay.
Coach will issue, players will issue.
Okay, normal.
How can we move on? I Ghana seminar. Say Black Star party. Then say baby, Obua, Obi.
Yeah. So, as I said, now we're minor the same thing. We are in Group I, and for Group I for the mono Bakuni. Or for what I say, and a Group I for no so no Bakuni.
Okay.
So that's it. So, it is either going to meet when another share Sweden will have.
That is your topic group.
Topic group maybe Sweden will see.
Okay.
And one up share Ivory Coast.
Okay.
That's all. But we are one now. Brazil for you. Brazil,
you see that's France bebo Cote d'Ivoire.
Yes.
And France bebo the other one.
So
Sweden.
Yes. So almost side almost say den kakra.
Okay.
So almost dwane na say dwane
no way ni dwane.
Na no dwane say.
Do dwane who say Cote d'Ivoire mum therefore.
Oh yes, who say Cote d'Ivoire.
And Obi Dream was say, hey, me Bobo Ndos Liga, my years next season. With the Prentimin Co. Every year, I told me call Barcelona.
Yeah.
Me hear me who ye. And your pocket.
So, the way I said, I didn't Sarah no way for the game. Even though, so if you are going to pick these two teams, definitely. And come on, you never did it for I want to say, no way for have very good players.
Okay.
But beating France. It's a very tall order for them.
Yeah, Boga Crucia Muhammad. So,
yeah, Major
Crucia, Eddie or Chinaboga Crucia, Bidding.
Yes, sir. I'm not going to
Michael Nesta Kutu.
Philip Crown is some more born, Philadelphia. And I know one crew.
You come there, then, what the Bibiad now come. China be and Benanti. Crucia Muhammad. Or
if you're looking at their squad, they are a very good squad. In a team now, Ellen Holland, I think that's Solon. Nusa, Martin Odegaard, Sander Bergmo. If you have these boys in your team, you have a very good team. But I've always said, the talent pool now, France for the one. They can take out all these 11 on your film, but the second team that comes in, everything natural, as the same way our first is here. Maria team no, and now play training grounds and they make football by it. I brought to William Saliba and said I'm training. Meaning saying, I'm here and that Saki Bombono, he's likely said. Saliba and Mubi. So it is either going to be boy now Chelsea for a penalty, Maxime Lacrosse, one of the partner, Boycano.
Yeah, baby, I go
because Saliba and Miamo, yeah, now Konate power to me started. Now Omar Lacrosse be you, but that's Jadia. As a matter for Yaboka.
Crucial, I was saying, what now is possible for Ghana.
Oh, okay.
Crucial, no can Crucial, Mohammed. I say it's possible for Ghana. A godson and so Kevin Yetiawan. So Crucial, catch it and I say Chiano. Catch it and Cosibe conductor, and I Cosibe Cosia Chanapa. Yetiano, Edia, which I know movie didn't come. Yeah, BBC print. Oh, your BBC print. A year with friend. Also, Yatia, in fact, on some part, no person part, who did some panel, some pay via some part. BBC print for quality printer. Or Setua was Yatia Setua. Because you have enough. So, as I was saying, if you're looking at their squad,
For France, mind there, even if they choose to bench the likes of Michael Olise, Bizarre Duemo, and the other guys, now there's a lot of players. They will come into this team and perform at that same level. The only thing they say, Deschamps, Nemami 2 days ago. And I don't know whether with me about the bench is coach, and the other team now and the technical team will pick up and coach the team. But as I said, they're a very good team, and in terms of putting all those things in probabilities and other things, I believe that Omina, your friend, France are going to win the game. But the biggest matchup in I am Rantier in Holland. Let me clear Mbappe.
So far,
yes, 4 goals.
So far, we now 4 goals.
Yes, 2 games. Yes, Obia 4 goals.
2 games.
Yes,
4 goals.
4 goals. No, we now be able 2 games. Obia 4 goals.
What's in a part there?
Yeah.
So be. You make me go. Could be breeze.
Possible.
I was about trying so be sure. I couldn't mean she.
Uncle Bisa.
I couldn't mean she too.
Or these are goal, but they are goal scorers.
But you know, breeze.
They can.
Maybe one of you be
France watch you on number France watch you on too much.
Now finish so for 5 and I go.
Standard bed most are not bad players for Omina your friend Norway.
I've not said they are not bad.
Yes.
Equally Omuni now good midfielder.
Yes. Martin Odegaard move. Odegaard move.
Over Branson we
say only say creatia. Odegaard make creati.
Okay.
What I say? Desire do it. Desire do it twen. Obanya and Musa and so twen.
But see, give no video. I don't see. Omuni will be a shy one.
I'm
telling you, yeah.
Papa.
God's son, or say tomorrow the formation should be 5-3-2 for Ghana and answer.
Ghana, they don't
care. We are more 5-3-2. For media crack, we don't go for 4-2 and answer 4-3-3. Near from Korea.
Or for these are goal scorers. And it doesn't matter the type of teams that they meet.
Yeah.
But no way for anymore. Almost solo. And Holland. Over. Someone pick up on the ball about 1 year. What I say? So I'm not saying definitely no way are going to win the game. I'm not winning up. I'll be surprised because of a World Cup here. Underdog someone winning games be brave. So it is possible. What I'm saying is the way these two teams, no, every teams never know. I believe, as I said, no way Lucien Hano because Baby Fano is going to help him. The same way applies to Omina and France. France are actually one of the favorites. So it doesn't matter the team that they meet. Almost your own quadia. We are underdogs. I'm going to get favorite somewhere win the game. So as I'm saying, these two teams, these two players are going to be the faces of Omugi and Mabono channel. And as I said, goal scorers. 58 games for 99 games. Edema and Holland. I can't say France national team colors. Goal scorers. Goal scorers.
Nana K. Gordon so chiao.
Nana K. off.
Nana K. Godwin.
Off. Sun City. Oh, Benjamin. So, therefore,
na a tactical rasheful. And off, say, I feel no, Nantepa. Okay.
No, on grounds, baby.
Said Nantia party.
Yeah.
Okoyeno, and Anaki Gordon. I bet take over.
Okay.
Nanaki Godwin, baby, your Benanti will come half funnel. A day.
Onim babia.
No so nim. Nanti mu se nanti.
Two-wheel drive. O ba se onama.
Yeah.
Uhu niema. Nti onim corners ne babia.
Two-wheel drive o kan se. Nya sure say na otwemu no no fa ka bro eye miensa na otwemu debi.
O ba se ejina babi oteso.
Nyame ya na dom. O tepen kwase.
Atanti do.
Tepen kwase nzi e fa ayiba. Okay, Godwin, which you mate, may your bridge man. Alfred said, Robo called the Alfred. One method man, my very good brother, method man. I say both will score with their country.
Oh, yes. I believe they are all going to score. They are going to score. Yes.
What's now? Go leave your own best, but I've said, say, Omo, be say more than a goal. I don't foresee that.
Mbappe can. Why is they don't need? They don't need so many chances to score goals.
I don't know. I say Ghana can we score Croatia?
Yes, we can.
Croatia.
On
can base.
Yes, we can. Yeah. So therefore, as I'm saying, two teams definitely are going to score. I was arguing both Norway and on my friend France because France for defense.
But don't be surprised you see no good cry. Now I draw.
And one of those games.
Yeah.
The probability of goals coming into this game is very high.
Okay.
Due to the type of talent of more team, no. On one side, Olise, Doué, Dembele. On one other side, no, Martin Odegaard, Musa, Solot, and Ellen Holland. Probability to go, no, difficult.
Okay.
But as I said, we work with probabilities now. So we are expecting goals to happen in the game between France and your minor, your friend, or I can't say no way, but definitely France likely some bit me win the game, no, I come winning. Now, yeah, things a transfer book for a barber